In this video, we're taking a closer look at how Multi-Create works. Let's start by going to Playlists. Let's create a new playlist for this tutorial. Let's name this Multi-Create Playlist. For this tutorial, we'll pick a standard 16:9 aspect ratio, which will work on almost any TV on the market. And let's hit Create. Before actually demoing the feature, it's important that we know what the purpose of the feature is. Most users design everything inside Play's editor. You can do photos, videos, plugins, add animations, and so forth. But there is also a group of users who'd rather design and create their slides outside Play. Some users like Illustrator, Photoshop, or Sketch. And for those users, it's important that they can add those slides to a playlist with just a couple of clicks. Let's take a look at how that works. Let's open Assets. I've already added a folder, and in the folder, I have a couple of images that I want to add as slides in the playlist. These images can be PNGs, JPEGs, or any other image format. I can pick one of these images and notice that the lower bar changes. Then I click Select All, then Create Slide per Asset. And in the next window, I am given a couple of options for adding these images to my playlist. I can set the slide duration for the slides. I can set the transition for the slides. If I open Advanced, I can also choose if these images should scale to fit, meaning the photos will stay within the canvas, or scale to fill, meaning the images will be stretched to cover every pixel of the canvas. I can also set the background color for the slides. I can add slide conditions, but keep in mind that doing this will add the same slide condition to all of the slides. When I'm done with my settings, I can hit Create Slides. And voila! That's how easy it is to add 13 new slides to a playlist. Since I chose Scale to Fill, we see that the images are sized to cover the whole canvas of the slide. Thanks for watching.